Hey, what's up, peoples? We're back here with another video. I know I haven't been on here in a while, but fellas, this is for y'all. This video has been blowing up 2 weeks ago, and I just had to do a video on this. Okay, fellas, this is child support. Okay, for the ones that don't know the pain, the struggle of child support. Not saying child support is a bad thing. It's a good thing. It has a purpose. But how people use it to their advantage or use it to corrupt it versus where it's supposed to be used for. If you don't know anything about it, please, please go to this YouTube channel. Link will be in the description. It's called Support Court. Or please go to school for law so you can know the do's and don'ts. All right. So let's check this out.
You all may be seated.
Let me see if I can get this louder.
Okay, Ms. Smith, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, good morning.
Okay, there we go.
I come here today to try to get his child support raised.
Okay.
We have one child, and
Oh yeah, for the record, if you've been on child support for a while, yeah, they can request for a raise. You know that.
I believe that he has some income that he's actually not reporting. We kind of try to make it work not too long ago, and when I was at his house, I found a bunch of pornographic movies.
What do you mean make it work?
We've been separated for a long time. Our son's 11.
Okay.
But we kind of got back together, and he has a bunch of like pornographic movies in his house.
I'm afraid you're going to stab yourself in the eye with that pen.
Sorry.
I just don't want you to do that.
He's the main character on the movies with all these different women, and he is
Okay.
saying that he's that I can't be mad at him. It's not cheating if he's making porn.
Okay, if y'all was separated, like separated, and he go off and make porn and do his thing, it's not cheating. And the other way around. But somehow people still getting their damn feelings about it.
And some of them are in our bed. And I said, well, it doesn't work like
Stop saying y'all bed if y'all was separated. It was like in different places. Living in different places. Y'all was separated.
that. You can't, just because you're filming doesn't mean it's not cheating. I said, you have to be getting paid for it to actually be a porn star. And he said he was getting paid for
Not
them.
really.
And there's tons of them.
That's not true. You don't always get paid to be a porn star. Okay? You can just be a person who just throw videos up. You don't have to get paid. You're building up your following to get endorsements to get paid. But no, it's not like YouTube, sweetie.
So I feel like,
So you believe he's getting paid from that?
and plus his business, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's almost close to 100,000, give or take, like maybe 10 to 15.
This is the gold standards of Gold Digger. So you got with him just to find out what he was doing. Granted, he showed it to you like, hey, I've been doing this type of porn and stuff now. Oh, you've been doing porn? Let me write this down. Oh, I know you own a business, and I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think you make 100K. Yeah, I'm finna get this down. I already got you on child support. I'm finna get you up for more. Okay. So you have all right to actually want to get more.
Okay.
So I feel like I get a measly $600 a month from him. I feel like
So
Measly?
that's
Something's
how much
not
his
right.
child support is
Currently.
set at right now?
yes.
Is he an NFL player?
We went through mediation at the child support office.
Yeah.
So, but that was, you know, he's
How long ago was that?
He's 11, and I guess 9 years ago, 10 years ago.
Oh yeah,
He was little.
that has been a while. You've been way overdue for a modification for a number of reasons. So
Yeah, I got a question. All right, since he's way overdue for a modification, do inflation count? Like how crazy the inflation rate is? No, it don't count. Since our jobs pay don't keep up with inflation, and you still get the taxes. No, okay. Just want to throw that out there.
about this income, is what she's saying true? Does it include that?
Well, it's a payment in one way or another.
Is a yes or no?
No, ma'am, I'm not getting paid.
Yeah, say no.
So that means
There
you're
you go.
lying.
So you're doing it for free? Well, you know what? Never mind. That's not my business. I'm sorry. That's not my business.
He is not cheating on you if you was separated. Y'all had an agreement to go off do your own thing. What?
So your business, where you do make the money, she's talking about the $100,000. Do you make $100,000?
No.
No, ma'am, I have 85 to 90,000 on the high end on a good year.
On a
Okay.
good year.
All right.
High
What
end.
is it that you do?
I'm a mechanic.
Mechanic. Okay. All right. So
You
you
better
said
have a
90
good
on the high
garage.
end.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your Honor, is there any way that we could subpoena his financial records for the point?
Like this woman have did her research. She want to subpoena the court. This is not that type of court. And you can ask for that. Like really, this is just an established payment. Like she want to do a subpoena. That's like setting up for a whole nother court. And you know how much it costs to do a subpoena? And she talking like that, and she saying $600 is measly. Do you know how much rent is nowadays? Man, you know what? I can't judge. Can't be on the guy side. This woman, she make her money. She do her job. She just want to make sure he in line. So you know what? Never mind. You ask for that money, Ma. You ask for that money. I ain't mean to call you a gold digger. I'm sorry. See, I said it to her. I'm sorry.
Porn thing?
Well, you can. I'm not going to do a subpoena on anything like that. I don't want to see it. Yeah, you can do that though. Yeah, if it exists, you can do that. But subpoenas aren't free. So I hope you know exactly what it is that you're looking for.
Well, there's so many of them, and he told me that he's getting paid for them, and there's like thousands, not hundreds,
Okay.
thousands of DVDs with him in there on
Well-
our bed.
I'll tell you what. Once you find
It's not y'all bed. Y'all are separated. Y'all act like y'all got a D-boy relationship. Or a D-boy relationship is when both people was together, but only one person say they separate, while the other person say we're not separated. We together. I don't care what you think. D-boy relationship.
some sort of income, some paper trail that shows that, then if you were to bring it back in court, we could entertain it then. But as of today, unless you have some sort of proof that shows that he has income from that, and unless he tells me otherwise, I can't really go off of that. I can only go off of what he told me, and he said 90,000 on the high end. I think you're in pretty good shape. What do you do for a living?
I don't work. I take care of our kid.
So you're a stay-at-home mom,
Mm-hmm.
and she's 11.
He is.
He is
yeah,
11?
uh-huh.
He's 11.
He goes to school.
He does.
So what do you do during the day?
Nothing.
You don't want to work,
No.
so you're just living off of his child support.
I am. And we live with our mother.
I take back my apology that I said earlier. I take it all back. All back. All back. Let's back this up. I want to back this up. No, I'm going to back this up. See, you see that? Gold digger. Okay?
No.
So you're just living off of his child support.
I am. And we live with our mother.
She
And
said
you're proud of that?
she says she is, and then she living with her mother. Fellas, remember, there was a post on Facebook. Her looks do not raise your child. Her mindset. Raise your child.
So you're just living off of his child support.
I am. And we live with our mother.
And you're proud of that?
Well, we were living with him, and I was a stay-at-home mom. He made the income.
Okay.
But, I mean,
But you can work now, right?
I can, but
So it's no but you can go get a job, right?
I could, but I'm not going to. My rent's free. My food is free. I mean, my mom's the homeowner. We don't have to pay nothing.
Okay. You know, I'm not going to go there with you today because you can obviously.
So, she just said it. This how some people use child support to their advantage. No. Mm-mm.
Obviously, you're able to work.
I'm able, but I
And
don't
you
want to.
should work, but again, that has nothing to do with me today. What we're going to do.
One of the most laziest. Okay, so let me get this right. You live in off his check. You stay with your mom, so free food, free. You know what? What? How did she say it? How did she say it?
No, I'm not going to go there with you today because you can. Obviously, you're able to work.
I'm able, but I
And
don't
you
want to.
Hold up.
My mom's the home.
But you can go get a job, right?
I could, but I'm not going to. My rent's free. My food is free. I mean, my mom's the homeowner. We don't have to pay nothing.
Okay.
So what do you do with that money that's supposed to support the child? Just saying.
You know, I'm not going to go there.
Unless your rights were signed over, unless his rights were signed over, then that's basically the child's no longer his business. But this is your check. So this child's your check. So if your mom passed away, where you gonna stay? You're gonna find somebody else to freeload off of and just keep your money. So the child support is really to support you, not the child. Okay. And this what happens.
With you today because you can. Obviously, you're able to work.
I'm able, but I
And
don't
you
want to.
should work, but again, that has nothing to do with me today. What we're going to do is talk about the modification of these numbers, all right? So your income has increased. It's increased about almost $400. So based on you saying that you receive about $90,000 on the high end, it
Yes,
brings
ma'am.
your gross to about $7,500, which your net is $5,465.22. That would bring, well, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
And how much is that?
It's 110 a month.
Okay, 110. So what I'm going to do is give you credit actually for the health insurance coverage for the child. So that would slightly bring your child support down. And
Down?
monthly, yes, slightly. It's still expensive. $1,093 a month is what he would pay in child support.
That's it?
That's it. Well, it would be more if you get a job.
Wait. She was bad because it went down. You see how her life just changed? What I'm gonna do? Like, what? That's it? This man's paying 1,000. Oh, apologies. Neighbors are fighting again. I don't even care. I'm keeping it in the video. If y'all can hear it.
He would pay more if I got a job?
No, it would be more for the child if you got a job.
Your Honor,
Ma'am, no.
You don't
no,
understand.
No, you don't understand. I'm basing his child support increase off of what it is that he makes. Nothing
He
more.
makes more than
nothing-
that.
Until you bring me something in here to show me that, that's what I'm going to base it off of.
Your Honor,
And again, you can work.
can
so
I,
I
I say
suggest-
something?
No,
Please.
ma'am. Only thing I need you to say is Miss Bonda B.
Oh, she is big mad. Look at that face. She is big mad. Your Honor. No, he makes way more. You just told this judge how you don't work or don't care to work. How you basically a freeloader and lazy. Guy was trying to work it out with you. You was doing reconnaissance to see how much more money he was making so you can try to get more. you never really care to be with them. You just want somebody to take care of you. I'm sorry, I'm calling how I see it.
I'm going to go find me a job. That's all I want to hear. If it's anything else other than that, I'm not entertaining it. Pertaining to
But when she say, so if I start working, if I work, he pays more. Like, she got excited. You seen that?
what I just said, do you have any questions?
I will go look for a job. But please,
Great.
please hear me out on one thing.
What is
One
it?
thing.
Make it quick.
I promise you I'll make it quick. Let's say that you have a battery operated vibrator.
You know what?
Wait,
We're done
yeah.
right there. We're done. Is
You're-
there anything further
You're
from
about
you,
to
sir?
climax.
Okay. Well,
The
ma'am-
batteries go out.
Okay, thanks.
That's him.
Okay, great. Let me tell you what we're going to do. You all are done, and if
What do that have to do with anything? What do a battery powered vibrator about to climax have anything to do? Is she trying to say he about to blow up? Like that?
there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you. I just want to go over what you all witnessed in the Smith.
No, no, no. Let's back that up just a little bit.
I'll make it quick. Let's say that you have a battery operated vibrator.
You know what?
Wait,
We're done
yeah.
right there. We're done. Is
You're-
there anything further
You're
from
about
you,
to
sir?
climax.
Okay. Well,
The
ma'am-
batteries go out.
Okay, thanks.
That's him.
Okay, great. Let me tell you what we're going to do. You all are done, and if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Fellas, please, please, by all means, pay attention. I'm not saying do the Ike and Tina Turner thing, whatever. Just really take the time and talk. Granted, I know how we be tempted sometimes of the flesh. But you see it for yourself. Dude, once you get on child support, your life is changed. And when you're not making payments, you might as well say you're breaking the law, because it is ordered by law, by court, for you to pay. I'm not saying it's bad, child support is bad, but stuff like this give it a real bad name. Dude is paying over $1,000. She wanted more. No matter how much he actually be paying, as long as her lifestyle's covered, that's it. And then on the flip side, when the ladies actually have to know how to pick from a deadbeat, like what makes a man a deadbeat, like it's a lot, man. But I'm gonna be posting more videos. Post in the comment what you actually think about this down below. I don't mind having a discussion about it. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.